In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eToro watchlist. If you want a simple way to keep track of assets you're interested in, the watchlist feature on eToro is a great tool to use. It helps you organize markets you want to monitor without having to search for them every time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add an asset to your watchlist and where to find it afterward. To begin, sign into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the platform's search tools, asset pages, and watchlist features. Make sure you're on the main dashboard, so it's easy to follow along with the next steps. Next, go to the search bar and look for the asset you want to save. You can search by name or ticker symbol. For example, if you want to track Bitcoin, you can type BTC into the search field. As you type, eToro will usually show matching results, which makes it quicker to find the exact asset you're looking for. When you see the asset in the search results, click on it to open its asset page. This page gives you more detail about that specific market, and it's also where you'll find the option to save it to a watchlist. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct asset page can help avoid adding the wrong item, especially if there are similar names or symbols. Once the asset page is open, look for the watchlist icon next to the trade button. Click that icon to open the watchlist menu. This is the area where you can choose where the asset should be saved. From here, select My Watchlist if you want to add the asset to your main default list. If you already have other watchlists set up, you can choose one of those instead. This is helpful if you like to organize assets by category, strategy, or market type. If you want to create a separate custom list, click Add to New List. This optional step lets you make a new watchlist for a specific purpose, which can be useful if you want to keep your saved assets more organized and easier to review later. After that, go to the left-hand menu and click Watchlist. This will open the section where all of your saved watchlists and assets are stored. Now you can review the assets you've added and monitor them from one convenient place. This makes it much easier to keep an eye on price movement and quickly return to assets you're interested in. Thanks for watching.